What do these numbers on the lens mean? What does f-stop mean to you? How does this affect your photos? Should you consider f-stop for videos? What is f-stop? Let's find it out in this video. I am Titan, you are watching TEC ASAP. Let's begin. First of all, let's know what aperture is. Aperture can be defined as the opening in a lens through which light passes to enter the camera. It becomes easy if you compare it to our eyes and how it works. Speaking of work, your likes work in favor of the video. So, like this video. Well, as you move between bright and dark environments, the iris in your eyes either expands or shrinks, controlling the amount of light going in, similar to aperture of a lens. Then you might be wondering, what does f-stop mean? Aperture is calibrated in f-stops. It is generally written in numbers such as 1.4, 2, 2.8, 4, 5.6, 8, 11, 16 and increases so on. Just like hitting that subscribe button increases the reach of this channel and gives you more videos. So get subscribed. Well, lower f-stops gives more exposure because they represent larger aperture, while higher f-stops gives less exposure because they represent smaller aperture. The f number is the focal length of the lens divided by the effective diameter of the aperture. So in case of 35mm f 1.4G lens, when the aperture is set to the maximum of 1.4, the effective diameter of the aperture will be 35 divided by 1.4, that is 25mm. Note that as the focal length of the lens changes, the diameter of the aperture at a given f number will change as well. Then you might be wondering, how does f-stop affect photos? F-stop affects depth of field. Depth of field refers to the range of distance from the camera within which photographed objects will be in focus. In extreme examples of narrow depth of field, the in-focus depth might be just few millimeters. At opposite extreme, some photographs show a deep depth of field with everything in sharp focus, from just in front of camera to too many kilometers away. Controlling depth of field is one of the most useful techniques to have a creative photography or even videography. Just like you can control what video you watch next. If you want to know about computers, you need to edit those media. Check out our other videos. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching.